Inkscape SVG to PNG. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they need a simple way to convert SVG files into PNG format for everyday use. This guide helps beginners understand export settings like size, DPI, and quality without confusion or errors. Open Inkscape on your computer and wait for the program to fully load. Click File, then select Open from the drop-down menu. Select your SVG file from your folders and preview it. Click Open to load it into the workspace. Check your design layout carefully on the canvas. Make sure everything is visible and not cut off. Adjust objects if needed by moving, resizing, or aligning them. Go to the File menu again at the top. Click Export to open the Export Settings panel. The Export panel will appear on the side. Choose the export area based on your needs. Select Page for exporting the full canvas view. Select Drawing to include all objects in the design. Select Selection if you only need one object. Set the export width according to your preference. Set the export height to match your desired output. Adjust the DPI setting for resolution control. Use 96 DPI for normal screen use. Use 300 DPI for high-quality printing results. Choose the file location where you want to save it. Enter a clear file name for easy identification. Make sure the format is set to PNG. Click the Export button to begin the process. Wait for the process to complete without interruption. Locate the save file in your chosen folder. Open the PNG image to review it. Check the image quality and clarity carefully. Re-export if needed by adjusting settings again. Save your SVG file to keep the original version safe. The PNG is now ready to use for sharing, uploading, or printing. Ensure colors appear accurate and consistent with the original design. Zoom in to inspect fine details and edges. Confirm transparency settings if your design requires a transparent background.